question. Thank you for the demo. What would be for short-term investment? Okay, yeah, for short-term investment, that is very tough to say. I mean, right now the best. Okay, let me pull up our models for short-term investment. For short-term, I'll probably just use Token Metrics, right? Because the quant grade is kind of, we're thinking the quant grade is more of a value investor grade, right? But if we go to short-term, if we go to Token Metrics platform, let me share the screen. Okay, so right now, short-term, very interesting. So our models are bullish on PAX Gold. So the way I read this is PAX Gold has the highest grade for short-term trader, and the price prediction is also 13%. So this and this is a good sign. Well, the monthly TA is bearish, but I think maybe it's saying upside in this in the short term, maybe in the next week or two. And this also tells me that the model is saying there could be a correction in both equities and crypto. So now might be the time to hedge by going into gold. And for those who don't know, PAX Gold is a gold-backed cryptocurrency pegged to gold 1-to-1. So it's basically a way to get gold through crypto without having to actually physically hold gold or have custody of gold. So the fact that it has the best short-term trading grade is actually very, very interesting. So let's go to the price prediction models here. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Okay, yeah, maybe time to add gold to the portfolio for this crash, right? So we see here, it thinks gold could go as high as 2,300, basically until mid-October before coming back down to about 2,200 or so. So yeah, I mean, so short-term investment, obviously not financial advice. This is just purely for research. Our price prediction models or AI is not perfect. It's not 100% perfect. We definitely don't want to make it seem like it's perfect all the time. However, in terms of probabilities, right, we think that does make sense from a logical perspective, right? Because if equities keep crashing, then Bitcoin will crash. That's kind of what's been happening. Bitcoin has had very strong correlation with equities in general. And when Bitcoin crashes, then alts crash as well. And in our newsletter earlier this week to our customers, basically that's kind of what Bill said, right? He said that pretty much we have two ways. Right now, being an alt is very risky because if equities crash, Bitcoin crashes, alts will get wrecked. That's kind of what happened this month, basically. However, if equities don't crash and Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin rallies, alts will crash, right? So because of Bitcoin dominance. So either way, being in alts was not the move this month. And as mentioned before, I was pretty upset on myself because the price prediction model has basically had its worst month to date, but it's because we changed it to not add stablecoins, right? We should have kept it the way it was, because last month in August it had stablecoins. Half the portfolio was in stablecoins. Then this month again, initially it had stablecoins, but we changed it to not add stablecoins, and that was not the move, right? So in the next update, it will be able to recommend stablecoins as well, right? So for those who are wondering why it recommends stablecoins, that's why, right? Because you have to hedge, right? And for us, it's better for us to be safe as opposed to being sorry, right? And basically, markets don't always go up. Trying to maximize or optimize for gains is not the move. We have to really manage the indices to be very risk averse, right? Especially in times like this, and also in the future in general, right? So going forward, we'll definitely kind of make that change, even if customers don't like it. And we do also plan to create an index based on the quant grade, and we think that might be the most popular one. But yeah, so hopefully that answers your question. Our C Roll 2000, thank you for that.